So there's one big challenge, and there's a bunch of opportunities that come and they drive technology choices. The big challenge that you were alluding to yourself was money. At the same time as we have all these opportunities, by the availability of diverse and distributed data sources,
Right.
we also don't have the resources to then reach them or even generate the data. So so you combine those two drivers, and all of a sudden you're accelerating the move to the cloud. You're accelerating the move to consolidate data centers. On the opportunity side, I'm listening to what John's talking about, and we're doing some of that ourselves, because the traditional ways of just drilling through mountains of data doesn't enable you to find anything quickly, and when you do, you don't know what it means.
Right.
So the focus now is turning toward metadata and publishing metadata, and metadata standards. My colleagues on the left, that doesn't mean anything on the radio, I suppose. We're talking about communities of interest. One of the big opportunities that we have, that I believe John Data alluded to earlier, was that you can go interdisciplinary. And that's a real powerful idea, that if you can disclose the metadata and work out the fact and get beyond the fact that you don't have controlled vocabularies that transcend communities, people can start doing things across disciplines. And it's an opportunity that you don't want to miss, because the societal benefits are too great. We know, for example, that there's a relationship between seasonal climate changes, I'm not talking about the big ones, but
Right.
just the small ones, and disease propagation.
Right.
But those are two wildly different disciplines. But what they have in common is they're all dealing with georeferenced data.
Right.
So some of the things we're working on at a prototype level are how you can use geospatially referenced data across disciplines and use new technology so that in today's budget climate, you do it efficiently.
Right.
And not have to lose the opportunity just because you didn't have the money to seize it.
Yeah, good.